Hi everyone, my name is Camila and today we're gonna trade with a new strategy, different strategies type. Before I told you about the candles, and between these two parts that I am giving you information about the candles, what it is and how to work with them, I want to show you how to trade with different time frames of the candle, with indicator and without indicator. So for that we're gonna start as usual, choose the assets with the biggest payouts, and let's see what's gonna happen for us here. We choose the assets with the biggest payouts. Let's start with our usual time frame, 30 seconds, and let's choose, for example, I'm gonna work with a super trend for now. So let's put the periods that I'm working with and let's go. So we have 30 seconds time frame for the candles, 1 minute for the time, and let's put $100 for the amount of the money. So as we can see, we have the full body bear candles and we're trying to make the bull candle right here. Let's support that movement. I think it can be kinda nice for us. Of course we have the trend for the lowering situation, but we have a little bit compensating movement, so I think that we can catch this trend for 1 minute and take this amount of money for ourselves to win this trade. As you can see, the super trend giving us confirmation of our movement, that is very nice and comfortable for us, and we're continuing our trade in this direction, and I think that is very nice. As you can see, we are doing everything right. Yes, we have the compensating movement downwards, but I think in still these 5 seconds we're gonna be okay. So let's see, 3, 2, 1, and guys, we having our first profit in this video. I think that is amazing. So let's go for another. Oh Jesus, that is not very nice. So let's go for this trend. Let's change the time frame for the candle for 1 minute. So now we're gonna see what is happening here. We have the trend for the buying, we have the higher upper trend, we had the minimum, so now I think we're gonna compensate it. So I'm gonna agree with the super trend indicator and put the price higher. Moreover, I can see this tail, this shadow of the candle, that telling us downwards area is not working for us. I'm a little bit weak, so probably the higher position is gonna be more confident, more powerful. Also we had the big minimum. Of course we're gonna compensate it with some movement higher. Of course we're gonna have some compensation movements like this, and we working with kind of curvish history. You can see it for yourself. We have the throwback right here, not very confident for me, because not very understandable for me right here, because as you can see we had all the situation for higher positions, but as you can see that is what's happening. We continue to try put price higher. I think we're not gonna win. We didn't win, so here I'm gonna use the martingale strategy, but I think that we're gonna continue to put the price higher, let the candle close up, because I think that we still have this compensation movement for the higher position. I think the candle gonna close up exactly in that moment that we open the deal, and it's gonna continue to grow to the higher movement 100%. So that is what happening right here. Very confidently started the price of the candle, going for the higher position right here, very nicely, very understandably, putting the bull candle upwards right here, have the trend for the higher position, compensating the big downwards area. So I think that is very comfy situation for us, and I think that is most comfortable situation for the beginners. For some strategies, when you have the same time frame for your deal and for your candles, that gives you more understanding of the quartz in the moment. And guys, we had the profit, so we closed our unprofitable deal. Let's go back for $100 for our trading history and change our asset. And of course, let's change the time of the time frame. Let's use here 3 minutes as we usually do it. We still have the time frame for 1 minute. Today I'm working with this time frame. Today is a buying day, so yeah, I'm going to put for the higher, for the buying point of the trend, and I'm totally agree with that because we had the maximum, the minimum, we're gonna compensate it and go to the stable area. Let's see what the stable area in this market is. So I think stable area is working is somewhere here, and we already in this stable area. I think now it's very important for the market to stabilize in here, make some great positions with a little compensating movement, but first of all we have to grow our price to these positions, and let's wait for that. Very unconfident movement right here, but I still think that we're gonna push the price higher. 10 seconds left till our candle gonna close up, and I think that is very interesting situation for us. And 4 3 2 1, and guys, we having one more profit, and I think that is just amazing. Okay, so let's work without the indicator. I'm gonna show you how to work with the candles without the indicator. I think very nice. So we're going back to previous 30 seconds. Let's find our situation to trade. So let's see what we have here. A big maximum right here, a little bit compensation movement, but I think we're still gonna continue to grow because we have not full body candles. Also, we have this opportunity, this ambition to grow price back, and we have this skill to grow skill back too. Also, as you can see, we're working with very full body candle to the higher position and not very full body candle to the downwards position. That gives us opportunity to tell that we gonna continue to grow our market in. As you can see, we have the percent of buyers that is growing right here on the market for you through the traders, and just few seconds we're gonna close up in the positive direction, and I think that is very nicely and amazing. Guys, we have the profit, so that is very nice. Let's change for 1 minute time frame for the candles, and let's see. I don't think that we're gonna go higher because they're not enough the body, not very confident, so I think that is just compensating movement of the price that is trying to grow. As you can see, that is why I put to the downwards, because we don't have this body of the candle that could put us for the higher position here. So let's see what's gonna happen. I think we're gonna continue very nicely to the downwards area right here, not very stably with some points of growing, but I think we're still gonna try to continue to put price downwards. I think that is very nice for us and our trading situation because we are putting downwards right here. And guys, just few seconds and I think we're gonna have our profit, and yes it is, we're having the profit again. Let's change the time frame for 3 minutes and let's change the asset so you could understand that it works in every different situation. For you just have to understand. So I think we're gonna go downwards, have a tail, not very confident, not very full body candle. Also we can see that market is not very stable. We have these shadow shifts everywhere on the market. We have the maximum, minimum, and moreover the curves area. We already had this part of the curve, so I think we're gonna do the compensating movement downwards right here. And also we already have understanding that it's bull candle, but I think that it's gonna close up in not the positive direction, and as you can see, that is what's happening on the market right now. Very interesting to look through this moment. I think that is very tempting, I can say, because you can see how close candle and the line of our bid is, and it's very nervously. And guys, we're having the profit. I think that was just amazing trading situations on the market, and that was just wonderful. You saw that understanding of candles helps you with the indicators and without the indicators, and you can do 90% of winning your profit strategies on that and use it for your own strategies and use it in famous strategies that you use usually. I think that is just very nice. So don't forget that there gonna be the part 2 about the candles on my channel, so follow and put the notifications on. Also, don't forget that I have absolutely free Telegram channel where I give you absolutely free signals so you can trade with me online, and also you can ask me any question about the trading in my private messages in Telegram. Bye bye.